Why are people falling in love with This Is Us?
You know who are good together?
Matt Lauer and Savannah Guthrie.
Also, us. We're pretty good together. But mostly I was talking about Matt and Savannah.
Discover everyone's favorite new drama.
I love our life.
An emotional ride that's become a national obsession. An epic family love story that's changing network television.
It's the first time in 36 years you've said the words, he's my brother.
New This Is Us, Tuesday on NBC. And all episodes are waiting on demand.